What if your car could see in every direction, front, back, and all around you? Meet the Redtiger F17 Plus, the dashcam built to redefine how you see the road. This isn't just another dashcam. It's Redtiger's latest innovation in the F-Series lineup, a 4-channel system that captures your drive in full 360-degree clarity. From the busy highway to a quiet parking lot, it never misses a moment. At its core lies Sony's IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor, recording the front view in 2.7K resolution at 30 frames per second. It delivers stunning detail, even under harsh sunlight or low light conditions, thanks to wide dynamic range. And with 3 additional 1080p cameras, including a rotatable dual-lens rear camera, every angle is covered, inside and out. When the lights go out, the F17 Plus stays sharp. Its dual infrared night vision records clear footage in total darkness, without any visible light. So whether you're driving at midnight or parked under a dim streetlight, your footage stays crystal clear. Control it all through a 3-inch IPS touchscreen, intuitive, responsive, and easy to navigate. Switch between views, replay footage, or monitor all 4 cameras at once in split-screen mode. It's visual awareness simplified. With built-in GPS, the F17 Plus logs every route, speed, and location. Perfect for both personal and professional use. And with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can instantly connect to Redtiger's app to download footage, tweak settings, or share moments that matter. Hands full? Just speak. The voice control feature lets you command the dashcam without distraction. Its G-sensor automatically records sudden impacts, while 24-hour parking mode keeps an eye on your vehicle even when you're away. Plus, with up to 512 gigabytes expandable storage, space is never an issue. Priced at $285.70, the Redtiger F17 Plus includes a free 128 gigabyte SD card and a parking monitor hardwire kit, making it ready to go right out of the box. Available now on Redtiger's official website and Amazon. 4 cameras, total visibility, complete confidence. The Redtiger F17 Plus, because your drive deserves the ultimate protection.